In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can add a green screen effect in Adobe Premiere Pro completely for free in less than 1 minute. Okay, so step 1 is to drag the video file of the green screen effect where you want to add it in. In this case, I have the clip where I want to add it in around right here. Step number 2 is to cut the clip where you want the green screen effect to start. Cut, delete, and delete. And then drag the screen effect onto where the video wants to start. In this case, it's a missile exploding right here. Next step is go under to Effects and type in Color Key. Drag Color Key onto the video layer you want the green screen effect. Click Effect Controls, and then under Color Key, click the eyedropper tool, and then click on the screen. As you can see, it automatically detects green as the color. Where you go back to Effect Controls, and under Color Tolerance, drag this to the right. As you can see, it completely faded out. Edge thin 1 for preferences, and this is what this looks like. So as this Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see free Adobe Premiere Pro video editing tutorials, subscribe to the channel.